This tutorial will help you create a simple report of the books checked out by our customers in the library. But in order to do a report, first we're gonna create a query. So in this tutorial you're gonna learn to create queries and reports out of a query. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to create and select query design. You're gonna learn how to do it from scratch. Here I have to select all the items that want to include in this query. A query is a question that we want to ask our database. So in this case we want to know information related to our customer, so information related to our checkouts, related to our details, and related to our books. So we have to include all the tables that have information related to the question that we are asking. In this case, we need information from all of them. So I want to know the name of the customer that is checking out books. So I'm going to include last name. I have to close this. So I'm going to select first last name, double click. I have my first field. I'm going to include also the first name, and I want to know what is the ID of the checkout, which is actually the number of the transaction in this case. I want to know when the book was checked out. I want to know the name of the book, and I want to know if the book has been returned. So actually I'm going to put also when is the due date, and I'm going to ask if was already returned. So I have these fields over here, and that's what I'm going to include on my report. So I'm going to save this query, and I'm going to call it checkouts. And I'm going to click OK. So I have my query here. Now that I have my query, I can create a report out of my query. So I select this item and I go to create report. First I have to close this query. Okay, now create report, and I have here the names and the dates of the transaction.